Hello friends, so welcome back to the career segment of my channel. Let's learn. So today we are going to discuss about one of the very important subject in biology, that is the biotechnology. And here we will discuss about the degrees that we should get to get the better career option. What are the industries in which are working towards the biotechnology? What are the companies that are providing jobs in biotechnologies? And what are the job profiles that are available in biotechnologies. So we are going to discuss everything here, and it's a request to the viewer that please be with me till the end of this video, and definitely it's going to be very informative for all of you guys. So let's start. So first, what is the biotechnology? So as the name suggests, biotechnology is a combination of biology and technology. So how we are applying the biology along with the technology for the benefits of our environment, for the benefits of humankind, for the benefits of animals and plants. So all these studies are altogether known as biotechnology. Biotechnology is the integration of the natural science and engineering sciences in order to achieve the application of the organisms, cells, parts thereof, and molecular analogs for the product and services. So this definition is from Wikipedia. So this all about what is the biotechnology. Now, to get the jobs in the biotechnology, what are the degrees that we should achieve? So to start our career in the biotechnology, the first and very important thing is that our 10+2 degree, that is the higher secondary. In higher secondary, we should have biology as one of our main subject, and then we will have to get the B.Sc degree in biotechnology. Now, B.Sc admission happens basically on the merit basis as well as on the basis of entrance exams. So there are few universities or colleges that are taking their own entrance exam, and it's a candidate responsibility to keep eye on these entrance exams, like when these forms are available, and when these exams are going to be happen, and what are the syllabus of these exams. So the candidates should keep eye on these things. So few examples of these kind of the entrance tests are DUET, DUET, CUET, JMI, EEE, KCET, KIIT. So these are the basic entrance exam. There are few other exams also, so that we can find over the Google. And in biotechnology, B.Sc degree can be achieved through the distance courses, and the universities that are providing the distance courses in biotechnology are like IGNOU, Maharishi Dayanand universities, Mumbai University, etc. M.Sc admission requires the candidate to have a B.Sc degree in biology, biotechnology, food science, microbiology, nursing, or B Pharma, BPET, and BMIT. So if candidate is having B.Sc in these subjects, in any one of these subjects, he is eligible for the M.Sc degree in biotechnology. Okay. And one important thing is that B.Tech and M.Tech degrees are also the path through which the candidate can pursue his career in biotechnologies. There are few universities that are giving the integrated, that is B.Tech plus M.Tech degrees in biotechnology. So this is 5-year program, and candidate can go through the which university or which college is providing this kind of program. But yes, these kind of programs are available. Now, what are the job profiles in the biotechnology? So biotechnology provides a vast list of job profiles. So these are the vast list of job profiles, and I'm going to give you very brief brief introduction about these job profiles. So please be with me. Now, the first one is the agriculture and food science technician. Here the candidate develop and follow the protocols to store crop and animal samples and examine them to determine the presence of disease and to ensure that the agriculture and animal product meet the safety standard with a focus on increasing the productivity. Okay. Now second one is the animal technician. Animal technician take care of the laboratory animal that are used in the biotechnology research, veterinary research, and product testing. Biofuel technician, third one. Biofuel technicians carry out the laboratory work involved in producing the biofuels such as the ethanol, biodiesel, by working with the fermenters, distillations, grain preparation, algae culture, oil chemistry, and separation technologies. Now, fourth one, biomanufacturing technician. So this job profile is two types: biomanufacturing technician downstream and upstream. Now, downstream process are those in which the products are harvested, tested, purified, and packaged. Upstream process are those in which the biological materials are used to obtain from the outside sources and inoculate and grown in the culture under controlled condition to manufacture the certain types of the product. So there here the candidates will have to make sure to follow all the required steps for both upstream and downstream processes. Now, next one is the cell culture technician. Cell culture technician grows the living cells in culture flask, bioreactors, plates, and other kind of the containers. These types of cells they grow can come from the plants and animals. Sometimes the cell culture technician starts culture directly from the tissues such as the um, umbilical cords and tumor biopsies. Sometimes they grow and maintain the cultured cells that are obtained from the commercial suppliers and organisms such as the ATCC. Now, next one is the environmental health and safety technician. Here, the candidate works in the biological facilities and research environments can be exposed to a variety of the chemical, biological, or physical hazards. So here, the candidate should have to study and should have to apply all the measures to avoid such kind of exposure to these hazards. Now, food sample inspectors. Food sample inspector provide the inspection to the organizations that handle and prepare the food, including the restaurants, supermarkets, and even the slaughterhouses. Food inspector makes sure that the food producers meet the proper guidelines to ensure the food is safe for the human consumptions. Now, next one is genomic technician. Genomic technicians uses a range of the technology related to determining and comparing the DNA and RNA sequences. Next one is the greenhouse or field technician. Here the candidate has to take care of the genetically engineered plant and create reports regarding its growth, quality, quantity, pest impacts, benefits, disadvantages, etc. Now, laboratory assistant, safety associate, or technicians. So here the candidate will have to take care of all the lab related work such as the support, safety, performance, perform experiments, and carry out the procedure as a part of the research projects. Microbiologist. So microbiologist is also a job profile under biotechnology. Here the candidate will have to study and works with the microorganism like the bacteria, virus, algae, and fungi. It's plant tissue culture technician. Here the candidate generates the plants from the plant tissue. It's a kind of plant cloning with the better features and values. Process development associate. The process development associates evaluate the biomanufacturing process, improve them, and scale them for a larger batches of the materials. Product development technician. They assist with the creation and production of the medical devices. Now, the next one is the purification technician. So, purification technician purify the proteins using the column chromatography, HPCL, FPLC, and monitor the purity. Water quality technician. Test. Here the candidate tests the water sample in the lab and identify the microbes or other impurities present in the water. So these are the different job profiles where the biotechnologist can get the job and can work here. Now let's see what are the companies that are hiring the biotechnology candidates. So before that, let's see what are the industries which are working in the field of biotechnology. So the industries are basically the agriculture, food and beverages, environmental agencies, research organization, pharmaceutical laboratory, all kinds of hospital, faculty, water treatment plants. So yeah, these are the industries that are highly absorbing the biotechnology candidates. Now, the leading organization in India hiring the biotechnology candidates are like Pfizer, Indian Institute of Patent and Trademark for research work, PepsiCo for food and beverages, and like PepsiCo, there are the other food and beverages companies like McD, like Pizza Hut. They also hire this kind of people. All hospitals, colleges, and universities where the candidate can work as a professor, as an associate professor, or as a lab technicians. Now, Plasmazen Biosciences, Lotus Water Food Testing and Research Laboratory. These are very few companies among the larger size of the companies which are working and which are absorbing the biotechnologists. So here the request from the viewers or request from the candidates who are trying to make their career in the biotechnology is that they should keep going or keep visiting the job portals and to see that what are the requirements, what are the criteria, what are the important things that they should develop within themselves, what are the skills that they should learn to get the better jobs. So they should keep visiting these kind of sites to get the better ideas. And I have visited a few of the job portal, and there a lot of opportunities are available for the biotechnologies. So this is all that I'm having to share with my viewer regarding the biotechnologies. And it's a request to the viewers that if you liked my content, if you think that it is beneficial for the biotechnology candidates or other candidates, then please like it and share it and subscribe it. And that's all for today. Thanks.